Hello and welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money with private label rights ebooks. But first, if you want to learn how to make money using PLR products, I just launched my brand new course called Plr Profits Academy. In this course, I show you exactly how I make passive income month after month, year after year, using only PLR products. The course consists of over 3 hours of over-the-shoulder content and over 30 lectures. If you want to learn a real business model and earn steady income each month, then check out Plr Profits Academy by clicking the first link in the description. Now let's get back to today's money-making strategy. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to bigproductstore.com, and this is my favorite place to get PLR products from. There are others. There's ID PLR, there's buyqualityplr.com, there's PLR Assassin. There's plenty of others that you can look into, but this is my favorite. I've used all of those before, and I like this site. I'm a member of this site. I've purchased a membership where I only had to pay one time, and I have products for life. And so I don't have to continue to pay, but I continue to get products on a daily basis. So if you go to all products, you'll see that they update this. They put new products in today. And a lot of times they're very relevant to kind of what's going on in the market. So that's really, really good. You can take any of these ebooks. There's courses, there's video courses, 10 video production email course. There's all kinds of different cool stuff on this site. There's actually one that came out that was Udemy reoccurring income. As you guys know, I make money on Udemy, so I don't need to take that course or anything like that. But it's cool that they have some relevant stuff going on. And they have thousands and thousands of products. And so what I would do on this site is go and, you can sign up. You can actually sign up for, I believe you can sign up for a trial. If you go to the Join Product Store, you can read about it a little bit. They have a special sale right now, 50% off, so you can go grab that. You can get a monthly membership for only $17, or you can just pay one time and just be done with it. And this is what I recommend, is paying one time and being done with it. Pay $98 today, and then you'll just be done with it, and you'll have products forever. So that's what I did. There's a couple other plans as well. If you want to do this is what the normal price is. Annual membership and lifetime membership is normally $197, so you can get it for a really good price today. So let's continue on to what we're going to do in this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go ahead and log in real quick, go to the members area, log in. And then once I'm logged in, I'm going to actually go to products, and then I'm going to go to ebooks. I like how they sort this out for us here. And we're just going to look as a great example. Let's just take what they just came out with, how to be organized. So let's go ahead and click on that. And let's just see if they have this broken down. They do have a description right here, but we're going to go ahead and just download the product. So it's going to download over here into a zip file, and it downloads pretty quickly. We're going to open up that zip file real quick and just check out and see what we're going to get. You do get some covers for the book, different graphics sets, but somebody that already went into the site really fast and got this book, they've already grabbed this book probably and published it all over the internet. So plus it says Amanda Wells on there, and that's probably not your pen name. So you're going to want to create your own cover. And honestly, this cover, almost anybody can do a better job than that in literally like 60 seconds. So, and I can show you how to do this and recreate that cover in 60 seconds. So you really don't want to go with any of that stuff. What we really want to do is go into the ebook. And a lot of times I like it when they have the Word version of this, but you can take the, and right now I got a brand new computer, so I actually don't have Adobe installed, but we can view it on the web browser. And so you're going to look at it. I like to see that there's 40 pages, so it's going to be a decent sized ebook. I like to download this, or even go over to Google and type in PDF to Word, and you can actually take the, find the site over here. I believe it's right here, PDF to Word. I like this site here. So we can select this file. Let's see if I can go in and find that file. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to go to select the file, downloads. We have it over here. and I'm going to go into the ebook. I'm going to grab it. We're going to try to convert this to Word real quick. I'm going to convert to Word because I like to see what the amount of words is going to end up being before I actually publish this. So I'm going to go download Word, and it's going to come open real quick. We'll just open that, pop that open real quick. And that's one of the first steps I like to do, is I like to just see how many words this is going to be. So, because then I know how big this book is, and I know, how to price the book. If it's a very short book, I'm going to price it at $1.99. If it's not a long book, then I got this brand new computer, so nothing's activated. And so it's analyzing the data right now, and it will be showing up here in a minute. So you can see this is 10,000. This is 11,000 words. So this is, when you start looking at PLR, this is almost 11,000 words. So this would be over an hour of audio content recorded. You want to turn this into a course that's over an hour long. This would work as well. In this case, we could take this data, and I like this because now it's easier to copy the data over. And so what you're going to want to do is, now you wouldn't want to just take this content and go and try to upload it on Amazon or some of my other sites I like to, because they do have some good content algorithm filters that are going to go scan this and they're going to see if this has been published anywhere else. And so you can take some of this content here, and what I mean by that is you can go to Google. If you come over here and in parentheses try to look for this online, you're going to see that there's already 8 results. So look at all these places that have all that. So Nook, so some Organization 101 is that. So someone took this book and retitled it Organization 101, and they already uploaded it, and it's already on Barnes and Noble. I mean, look at this. So this book is, someone already recreated a new cover for it, and they put it on this site. So what you're really going to want to do is actually that's not it, but you want to search for it, and you want to make the content unique. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to spinrewriter.com. I'll drop links to all these sites in the description, so you don't have a hard time finding them. But we're going to take this content, right, and we're going to start grabbing chapter by chapter. We're going to grab this content, and we're going to stick it in here, and we're going to go to settings and make sure that on words and phrases, we want to go to most readable. Because if we go to most readable, then the content is going to come out and it's still going to be very human readable. You're not going to have to really edit it or do anything to it. And we're going to push rewrite. So it's going to rewrite our content right now really quickly. And then it's going to pop out some good content, and then we're just going to go back in and create a new document in Microsoft Word, right? So it's already 81% unique. We can finalize the article. And this is my favorite way of creating ebooks from PLR content and then repurposing them. So generate new article. We've got this, and this is going to be chapter 1. So you can come in here. It's 83% unique. So it's going to easily pass. If you want to publish this on Amazon or Draft2 Digital, then it will work. So the next step, what you would do is you would come in here and we would create a new Word document real quick, because we need to now create an ebook, right? So we're going to go over here, and you're going to, put in your title. So go up here, go to title, and put your title here. And I like to center this. So we're going to go over here, center your title, and then also kind of return over here, and probably make it a little bit bigger is what I like to do. Maybe about like that looks good. And then you might want your subtitle page and your table of contents. But for the purposes of the video, we're going to start here. And this is going to be a heading 1, chapter 1. Okay. So then now we're into normal content. We're going to grab that. We're going to paste as text. Okay. This is our rewritten content already ready to go. And then we're going to grab this, and we're going to go to paragraph, and we're going to do line spacing. And you want your line spacing to be 1.5 lines or even double. So 1.5 lines, it works pretty well. And then you're just going to go and grab the next one. And you're going to go, so this is, you don't need any fancy software. Chapter 2. You don't need fancy software. You don't need, ebook software, things like that. You can do it right in Microsoft Word, or you can use Google Docs. No problem. That also spits out a Word docx file, and it automatically is formatted and it looks great when we publish it. So then you're going to go and you're just going to do File, and you're going to save the file as a docx file, right? So then what are we going to do next? You're either going to go to Amazon, your Amazon account, if you're a publisher on Amazon already, then you can go and download your book and all that. You can also create your cover. So we have these two places that we're going to upload our books, right? So in this, I don't want the video to get too long, but the next thing that you'll want to do is you'll want to go over to Canva. And once you go into Canva and log in real quick, I have a log into my premium account real quick. Then you're going to want to go to over here, and you're going to want to find book. So create and a book cover. So check this out. Remember at the beginning of the video when I said, hey, we can make a way better book cover than this right here. How to be organized. Oh my gosh, that's not even a good cover. We could grab a cover like right here. I could literally grab this and redo this. How to be organized. Okay. And then we're going to just shape this a little bit. We're going to shrink it down. We're going to move this out a little bit, and we're going to keep going like that a little bit more. So we had to shrink it down quite a bit, but it still looks really good inside those margins. And you're going to see that you can easily create these. You can grab that, you can color it a different color. You can grab the outside border if you wanted to, and change the color of that if you wanted to. And then you could even go to like photos, or you could go to elements and type in organize, right? You can do organize stuff and just kind of see if there's anything worth throwing in here for. I kind of don't know what's going on with that, but that looks like it needs organized. So maybe we grab that picture. Okay. We could put in your pen name down here. Okay. And we're just going to grab that image right here. So you've got a way better cover now than this one, in my opinion. And I just created that in like 30 seconds. So yeah, that's kind of what you do. See, there you go. There's your cover. And then you're just going to go over and you're going to publish it on Amazon, or you're going to go to Draft2 Digital, the site here. This is where I make most of my book publishing money when I'm doing this kind of strategy. And then you're going to publish them. So that's the strategy on how you can make money with PLR and publishing ebooks. Thanks for watching today's money-making strategy. If you want to take your online business to the next level, then check out my course, Plr Profits Academy. I reveal all my secret strategies on how I make money every month using PLR products. Click the first link in the description below. If you liked the video, please consider hitting that like button and make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my future content. Until next time, take care.